So in order to organise my brushes first, I organise them into like small brushes, eyeshadows, eyebrow brushes, and I put them in this little pink pot. It just keeps them nice and together. And then my bigger brushes go in this, it's just a mug really, but I thought it was really cute, so I put them in this mug. And these are my big face brushes. You can see that they are absolutely filthy. You'll like, look at this one. It's just, that's white usually, and it's, oh, not nice. So in order to wash them efficiently, I'll go through the ones that actually need washing. So I'm not going to wash brushes that I don't use. So these two here, I know I haven't used those, so they're not going to be washed. Same with this one. So I'm just going to go through and figure out the ones that need washing, and then we'll get back to you. So these are the ones that don't need washing. I haven't used them, so I'm going to pop them back in here and leave them to it, and I'll just be washing the other ones. I'm going to do exactly the same thing for these ones. Unfortunately, these ones I use a lot of. Absolutely all of these need a wash. They're filthy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to the bathroom with me, and then you can see exactly what I do to wash them. Zero waste style. Welcome to my sink. So I've got all of my dirty brushes that I really need to clean. Sorry about the echo. I'm going to pop them there, and I've also got a very clean towel, which I'll need. And then, oh shoot, 1 second, I'm missing something. I've got the dirty brushes, I've got a clean towel, I've also got a typical bar of face soap or body soap. This is actually from Tesco, it's nothing special. I want a bar of soap with the pH that's high enough for bacteria to die, but I don't want it high, so high that it will affect my skin. So I use a bar of soap that is designed to go on my body, because then I know my brushes will then be clean enough that it's designed to go on my skin. So that's what I've got. It's typical, it's just from Tesco. I think this is about 30p a bar. And then I've got my pink brush cleaner. Yes, this is plastic, so if you don't like microplastics, it's probably not worthwhile getting one. But I bought this maybe about 6 months ago from Pound Shop. It was only £1, and it lasted me a long time. So the first thing I'm going to do is get all of my brushes wet with the cold water tap, and then I'm going to put the soap on them. So that's what we're going to do now. So I literally get it wet and then rub that on it. And then I'll pop that over to the side for a minute and let that soap sort of sink in. So we're going to do that for all of it. And now we're literally just going to crack on with the washing and with using the hot water. So I don't like wasting an awful lot of water, but these really do need cleaning. So what I'm going to do is put water tap on, but really lightly. So about that. Wait for that to heat up. You don't want to use boiling hot water, because if you use boiling hot water, you could actually reactivate the adhesive, which makes the bristles fall out. You don't want to do that. So now I'm going to pop my little cleaner on my fingers, like that, and just dab it under the water and brush. And you can see it's absolutely filthy. If I move you down a little bit, just look. Actually so filthy. Sometimes I don't use this and I only use it for eyeshadows. Sometimes I just like to get my fingers in there. You know that it's pretty much done when you can squeeze it and nothing comes out. So the water's still running clear. So then when I'm done with that, I literally grab my towel and I will just rub it a little bit on there in circle motions, change the direction, etc. and leave it for the time being, and I'll show you what I do with it next. So I'm going to do that with all of my other brushes. Okay, so I've now got all of my makeup brushes on the towel, and I've got my mug again. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to dry all of the brushes, and the way that I do that is literally I rub it on the towel, because you're not going to get into the bristles anyway, so just get the most off that you can, put it back into its little shape, and then I will put it back in the pot. And that's literally all I do to clean my makeup brushes easily. So give it a little circle, chuck it in there, make sure the handles are dry. And that's it. So I'm going to go and pop these on the windowsill. I am in focus. And then we'll just let them dry because it's a really nice sunny day. There we have it. I'm just going to let these live here for a little while along with my cacti and my little succulent plant over there. And they'll just dry. They'll dry naturally. They might hold their shape because of the soap. So this one, when it's dry, might still be like that. So yeah, but then all you do to get rid of that is to flick it and then the shape will come back. But it's not dry yet, so I can't show you. And that is all of it. That's everything that I do. It's nice and easy, it's cheap, it's zero waste pretty much. And yeah, so that's how I clean my makeup brushes. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please maybe consider subscribing, it's so appreciated. And I will see you guys in the next one. In the meantime, if you have any zero waste hacks or makeup brush cleaning hacks, please let me know. I love to hear new things, and I will then see you in the comments. See you later, have a great day, have a great weekend. Bye!